If you are experiencing any kind of problem with your computer, it is important to diagnose the issue properly. It can be a hardware issue or software problem, but it is crucial to treat the problem shortly. It is not possible for all the technicians to identify the problem and answer it properly. Thus, getting help from a renowned technician team is important. As a top computer repair store, iTech Xpress introduces such a team of proficient experts. For details to know, browse itechexpressinc.com and check the details. Or give them a call at 626-777-4747 to request a free consultation. So, bring your computer to them and repair it confidently.